What is the best way to invest in cryptocurrency? Now we'll look at the fundamentals of analyzing a coin and where we may locate new coins to invest in. Since there are thousands of various cryptocurrencies, each one has the potential to make or lose money. So, for myself, I focus on basic analysis and simply desire to be a long-term holder. I'm not interested in being a trader. I merely want to be a coin holder and an owner. Ideally, this will pay out in the long run. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stablecoins make up the majority of my holdings. That's 50% of the total. The remaining half of the 50% is set up for risks. So, in cryptocurrencies, you may make money in nearly everything, especially at a bull market. Now we'll talk about market cap, copying big portfolios, fundamental analysis, and exchange listings in this video. This is due to the fact that you can trade up. There will be a pump when a cryptocurrency is listed on an exchange. As a result, we'll be on the lookout for high potential points. That's usually the case with coins backed by large investors. Then we'll look at long-term trading and how we may improve our performance. As a result, this video will be somewhat lengthy. All I'm going to do now is summarize it for you. Welcome to Critique, a channel that gives critical evaluation or analysis, especially in dealing with crypto. Everything regarding money, finance, investing, cryptocurrency, and blockchain-related topics, including ICOs, NFTs, and yield farming. Let's start with market capitalization. When investing in a coin, the market cap is the most important factor to consider. It shouldn't be the price of a coin. If you're not aware of how many coins are out there, the coin price is meaningless. So, a coin's supply may be 21 million or 21 trillion, which will have a significant impact on the price per coin. As a result, don't be deceived by the current coin price. At the market cap, you should be looking at the whole worth of the coin. So, let's go to coinmarketcap.com and see what we can find. This is the website, coinmarketcap.com. It contains a list of virtually every cryptocurrency that is traded on an exchange and is registered with them. I know how to make a coin. Unless I certify and get it registered with this CoinMarketCap website, it will not be listed. Let's take a glance at a real-life example. Cardano has a coin cost of $2.27, as can be seen. Bitcoin, on the other hand, has a coin price of $43,000. Cardano's market capitalization is currently almost 10 times that of Bitcoin, at $814 billion to $72 billion. So, for Cardano to close the gap in market pricing value, it would have to double in price to equal the market cap value. Cardano will be worth $22 each coin if it doubles in price. It isn't going to be $43,000. So do not fantasize into thinking that Cardano may achieve $43,000. Because of the market size and currency supply, this isn't going to happen. As a result, by studying this, we can learn more. Cardano has a maximum quantity of 45 billion coins, whereas Bitcoin has a maximum supply of 21 million. As a result, there's a lot you can discover from its market cap. The market cap would be 101 billion if all the coins were in circulation, which would be 72 billion completely diluted. As a result, this investment has less value than it appears. I'm not claiming Cardano is a good or poor investment right now. Many individuals enjoy it. The cost of a coin is low. Very low. Very low. This attracts a large number of new investors. However, it is not something in which I wish to invest. I'd like to put my money into something with a lot greater upside. We're going to explore where we can identify coins with a lot of promise. This is why we'll be looking at large portfolios. We're going to look at several large venture capital portfolios at masari.io/screener. Here, this is the portfolio of Coinbase Ventures. It demonstrates Coinbase investment strategy. Now, this isn't the full extent of Coinbase's investment. This is just everything that is currently accessible to trade as a coin. Now, some of them might not be listed here, so we'll have to take our investigation a step further and seek up the Coinbase Venture website. We may check at their investments like Compound, BlockFi, Dharma, CoinTracker, and there are a number of various investments here at Coinbase Ventures. So, all we'd have to do now is conduct our research. We'll have to take a look at each of these separately. Whether it's a coin that's now trading and whether we can invest in it. We can now create our own ETF using the information we obtained from researching all of those investments. It may be the Coinbase Ventures portfolio, in which case you would simply invest in whatever they are investing in, because there's a chance it'll be featured on Coinbase. When a cryptocurrency is listed on Coinbase, its value skyrockets. It increases the market capitalization by a factor of 2 or 3. This is a common occurrence. Coinbase, on the other hand, is switching to an auction approach. Therefore, they don't have a group of folks lining up to be one of the first to own that asset. They are up against a lot of competition now that more exchanges are listing more coins, especially when it comes to DeFi. As a result, these Coinbase pumping events may become less prominent in the future. However, you can anticipate Coinbase Ventures to conduct due diligence and analysis on these enterprises if we clone one of their large portfolios. Likewise, they do this since they believe they have the potential to earn money. They're investing their money. Therefore, we must also think about what we are investing in. You're gambling if you don't know what you're investing in. Think of it as a game of Shark Tank. You're conducting an interview with your potential investment. You're trying to figure out what they're up to, what their business plan is, and whether or not you think they can make you money. As a result, don't just spend money at anything. That's gambling. Do some research and come up with a plan. It won't be simple at first because you'll have a lot to learn. You must evaluate it with other coins on the market. This necessitates a substantial amount of expertise. There are numerous coins available these days. Even for myself, a 20-minute research session will not provide you with a complete picture. This is why you must either continue to learn or learn from others who have already completed the research. There is, however, no certainty. Even if all of your research is sound, that doesn't mean you should make that investment. None of this is intended to be financial advice. This is simply me expressing my honest view on cryptocurrency investing. So, if you think this video has clarified some things for you, please consider liking it and clicking that bell button to be notified of our new videos. Also, you might want to consider subscribing to our channel. It'll really help us out. Back to our video. Now that we're back at masari.io, we can take a look at some other venture capital portfolios. Let us have a look at A16Z. They've put money into Avalanche, Uniswap, Filecoin, Near, Maker, and other projects. We could simply replicate any of these portfolios and create a very strong portfolio. Then there's Web3 or Web 3.0. This is a collection of assets that work on Web 3.0, the future generation of the internet. With DeFi regulation on the way, a lot of things could be going towards Web 3.0. So it wouldn't be a bad idea to invest in some of these. The following item to consider when investing in a coin is the job boards. Take a look at Gitcoin. Take a look at the crypto employment boards to see what's new. What types of bounties are available? What are the goals of these crypto companies? By examining what they're hiring for, you may get an inside peek of what they're aiming to develop. These are important to note, such as what the specifics of that job description are, what they're trying to accomplish to transform the crypto landscape, particularly in regards to their coins. As a result, you're gaining a head start, and this is a long-term investment. If the team is merely 3 or 4 people, that's already fishy, as I'd like to invest in a larger group. Because if there is only a small team of developers, they may simply abandon the project. I don't feel like pursuing this anymore, they say. We already receive a large sum of money from investors. We're just going to ditch. Many cryptocurrencies have experienced this. That has happened to me before, and I don't want it to happen to you. As a result, put your money into actual initiatives with real backers and investors. That is among the most crucial aspects. Then we must consider development and application. We're going to take a look at GitHub commits. We're interested in on-chain transactions as well as monthly active users. We want to witness progress. We want to verify if people are genuinely using the site and that it is expanding. So, while not all coins will have this, it is something to check for to ensure that it is something you want to invest in for the long run. Then we'll examine the business model. What was the motivation for the creation of this coin? Is there any point to it? Is there already a competition in the crypto space which does the same? What are they doing that is unique or at the very least would bring in enough money for you to profit? You should also take a look at the tokenomics. Is the coin prone to inflation? Are you willing to put your money on it? What is the point of keeping it? Is there anything in it for the user? Examine that business model to see if it makes sense to invest in and hold. When it comes to crypto investing, the most important thing to remember is to constantly learn. Continue to educate yourself. Examine your trades to determine if any of them performed well or poorly, and figure out why. Everything, good or bad, can teach you something. That is how you become a good investor, by putting in the time and effort. Acquired a lot of knowledge from this? We recommend checking out our other relevant videos from our channel. Comment down below on which coins do you think is the best to invest in for this year. Also consider sharing this video to any friends or family members who might find it useful. Until next time!